So now we're going to make some butter ganache, and you're going to need butter and white chocolate. You want to make sure that your white chocolate contains cocoa butter and that you're using real block butter, no margarines. So to start off, we're going to chop up our butter like I have done here, and then we're going to melt it in the microwave until it is liquid. So now our butter is nice and melted, we're going to pour this over our chocolate. Leave this to sit for a couple of minutes so that the warm butter will start to melt your white chocolate. Make sure you stir your chocolate to make sure it's nice and dissolved as much as possible, and you will likely need to pop it back into the microwave for 15-second bursts, making sure to stir it well in between until it's fully melted. Our butter ganache is nice and melted, and you can see how liquid it is. This will pour straight into your frost form without using any piping bags. You can use American buttercream, Swiss Morn buttercream, any of your favourite buttercream recipes. Just make sure you soften it down to custard consistency and pipe it in with a piping bag. So all we need to do now is colour this up. If you're using butter ganache, you need to use an oil-based colouring and you're good to go.